Hello, students. Professor Piggy here. Today, we are moving from tapping distance to pocket distance, right around your body, your personal cloud of devices. Bluetooth attacks. Bluetooth is a short-range wireless technology used in personal area networks. A personal area network, or PAN, is a network centered around one person. Phones, headsets, keyboards, laptops. Exam mode. Bluetooth is a short-range wireless communication technology commonly used to connect personal devices within a personal area network. Bluetooth was designed for about 10 meters, roughly 30 feet, but in practice, signals often travel farther than intended, far enough for the wolf to notice. That is where the attacks begin. First, bluejacking. Imagine the wolf tossing notes into your pocket. Harmless notes, annoying notes. Exam mode. Bluejacking is the unauthorized sending of unsolicited messages to nearby Bluetooth devices. These messages are usually text, sometimes images or sounds. Confusing, rarely dangerous, but they prove access. Second, Bluesnarfing. Now the wolf stops joking. He reaches into your pocket. Exam mode. Bluesnarfing is the unauthorized access to or theft of information from a Bluetooth device. Contacts, emails, calendars, messages. No permission, no alert. Third, bluebugging. This is where it turns ugly. Exam mode. Bluebugging is an attack where an attacker gains full access to a Bluetooth device and installs a backdoor, allowing remote control of device functions. The wolf can make calls, forward calls, send messages, even activate the microphone. Your phone becomes his spy. Now, why does this happen? Bluetooth devices use MAC addresses. During setup, they enter discovery mode. In this mode, the device broadcasts its presence so others can see and connect. Exam mode. Discovery mode is a Bluetooth state where a device advertises its MAC address to allow pairing. In early Bluetooth versions, pairing could occur automatically. No confirmation, no consent. That was a gift to the wolf. Today, most devices require manual user approval to pair. If you do not confirm, pairing fails. That is why Bluetooth attacks are much rarer now. But here's the exam catch. If a device allows pairing without manual user intervention, it is still vulnerable. There's also a physical defense. Placing devices in conductive metal containers creates a Faraday cage. Signals cannot escape, signals cannot enter. Important qualifier. A Faraday cage is one layer of defense. It does not replace software updates, secure configuration, or least privilege. It is practical for storage or transport, not for daily device use. Now, let's switch attack styles. Wireless replay attacks. Exam mode. A replay attack occurs when an attacker captures transmitted data and replays it later to impersonate a legitimate party. Wireless replay attacks follow the same idea as wired ones. Capture, replay, impersonate. The good news, Wi-Fi 2 and Wi-Fi 3 are resistant to replay attacks through proper use of nonces and sequence numbers. Important qualifier. This protection assumes modern protocols are correctly configured and kept up to date. Replay resistance is one control, not a guarantee. The best defense is layered. Eliminate deprecated wireless cryptographic protocols. Updates, limit privileges. Now we zoom out, way out. War driving. Imagine the wolf cruising the city, windows down, antenna up. He's not sightseeing, he's hunting signals. Exam mode. War driving is the practice of searching for vulnerable wireless networks by moving through an area and scanning for wireless signals. Cars, bikes, feet. Directional antennas help detect weak signals leaking farther than expected. This is not only an attacker tool, administrators use war driving too. Exam mode. A wireless audit is a detective control that examines wireless signal footprint, power levels, antenna placement, and encryption. War driving helps detect rogue access points, evil twins, and wireless coverage that extends too far. Now, take it airborne. War flying. Exam mode. War flying is similar to war driving, but uses aircraft or drones instead of vehicles. Light aircraft can scan from 2,500 feet, but drones? They fly lower, right above the roofline. They can hover, scan, record, especially 2.4 GHz signals, which travel farther than 5 GHz. Less interference, clear line of sight. Planes move fast, so exposure is brief. Drones change that. Drones can hover, scan, record. They can be used for reconnaissance. Exam mode. Reconnaissance is the process of gathering information about a target prior to an attack or during penetration testing. Penetration testers may use drones to photograph facilities, scan for wireless networks, map signal leakage. Let's lock this in. Bluetooth attacks target weak pairing and discovery modes. Manual pairing stops most of them. Faraday cages help in storage, not everyday use. Replay attacks are mitigated by modern protocols, updates, and proper configuration. Deprecated crypto invites trouble. War driving and war flying reveal what your signals say about you. Audits use these same techniques defensively. Convenience without controls feeds the wolf. Convenience with controls is just technology doing its job. If this helped you dig up more truffles of wisdom, like the video and subscribe. Professor Piggy will stay alert. The wolf will stay hungry. Oink!